made a conscious effort within myself that, I should hear all of Srila Prabhupada's lectures. And yes, it's just a wonderful way to hear Srila Prabhupada's, his mannerisms, his expressions, the terminologies that he uses to express himself, and his conviction, in what he's talking about. So it really, I think it very much complements the reading part of his teachings, along with, the hearing part of his teachings. It strengthens both, particularly because, we hear his, his mannerisms, the intensity in his voice, and, the words that he uses and the phrases that he uses, and so on. So again, it's just a great association, sound, right? Association in sound, which, it's just very nourishing. It's just very nourishing.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Rama